If you're looking for the most modular, customizable, DIY capable roof rack on the market, we've got something for you. It's called the Aluminess Recon Modular Roof Rack. Let's get into it. So here we are, the Recon Modular Roof Rack. Now what makes this thing so special? It's modular. What does that mean? You can build it out any way you want. So whether you want to go plain Jane basic as it comes with an air dam, side rails, and crossbars, or you want to build out a full flooring roof rack like you're seeing me stand on right here, or you want to throw some solar, maybe you don't know. Maybe you don't know what you want to do with your van. That's the beauty of the Recon rack. You can build it out one way. You decide you want to cut a hole in your van, put a fan, put some AC, put some solar, you can do that. You've just got to buy the panels necessary to get the configuration you're after. All right, so what we're looking at right here on the Aluminess Transit is a full flooring layout for the Recon roof rack. Of course, as it comes, it's a little more basic with the side rails, the crossbars, and the front air dam, but a full flooring build out like this is kind of extreme. It's doable, but might not be for everybody. The magic behind the Recon Modular Roof Rack are these panels you're looking at right here. These are front-loader panels, and this cool design here wasn't by accident. These are designed to accept L-track and L-track accessories. You can kind of see that here. Boom, look at that. Real nice. So if you want a tie-down point, if you want to mount any sort of L-track accessory, you can do that. And if you're looking to add something different, you want to add one of our clamshell MaxTrax mounts or anything like that, if you use an accessory with a 4-inch by 4-inch mounting pattern, you can do that with the way the front loader is built out and designed. So aside from just what you see in the front loader panels, you can mount anything you want to this rack. Got an awning? We've got brackets for you. Got a box? We can do that too. Want to mount something with L-track? Make it simple, just like that. You're done. The Recon rack is that easy, guys. So over on the Transit, we showed you a full floor. As the kit comes, it's side rails, crossbars, front air dam. And this here on top of our Sprinter is a pretty good idea of what else you can do. So we mentioned solar panels. We mentioned the ability to cut holes in your roof and add vents, fans, air conditioning units. Check it out. This is how you do it. Like you see here, we've got this negative space. We could fill it up with flooring panels so we can get that added benefit of using L-track or mounting boxes, or we can leave it be. If you want a minimalist setup, the Recon can do it all. So we've talked about the features and benefits. We've looked at some details of the Recon roof rack. Well, who's it for? This roof rack is for that person who maybe just bought a brand new Sprinter. Maybe they bought a brand new Transit. You don't know where you want to go with your build yet. Well, that's where the Recon shines because it grows with your build. So if you want to keep it stock for a while, do that. You want to keep the air dam, crossbars, and side rails? Do it. Keep it simple. Or go full flooring. Or if you decide to get crazy, punch a hole in the roof, put a vent, put some AC, put some solar up there, this rack will handle that as well. So no matter how you want to do it, the Recon roof rack will do it with you. Last but not least, the Recon roof rack is made right here in the USA at our HQ in San Diego, California by people who are very proud of what they do. That's the Aluminess way. We wouldn't do it any different. So thanks for hanging out with us. We hope you learned something about the Recon roof rack. If you've got questions, comments, drop them down below. We'll get back to them as soon as we can. Sun's dropping out here. It's a beautiful day. We might climb back on top of this thing and watch the sunset. We hope you're doing the same somewhere.